Good evening friends and people. Ito, maulan panahon. So, ito meron tayong mga sangkap dito for shabu-shabu. So, ayan. Dinip na natin yung mga ingredients, mushrooms, and yung mga lobster balls. And also meron na rin yan yung yung tofu. Ayan, masarap yan, yung inoki. And then yung shiitake. Tapos ayan yung slice ng ating beef. Ayan. May pa-twist-twist pa. Ayan. Ayan, sa ka-twist na Lugasan naman yon. And then, ayan yung noodles. Meron tayong buckwheat noodles. At saka yung isang klase ng noodles. Ayan, hinahango na natin. Luto na. At ayan yung ating dipping sauce, yung chili, soy sauce, and may garlic.